The UAE was affected by an onslaught of flash floods last week. And this week, the NCM has announced heavy rainfall in certain areas. If water has got into your vehicle, it is crucial to act quickly to minimize damage and ensure your safety. Here are a few guidelines to follow in case you're stuck in heavy rainfall or flooded areas. Determine the extent of water entry in your vehicle. If the water level is high, do not try to enter that vehicle. If it's safe to do so, turn off your engine and disconnect your batteries. This will help prevent electrical issues. If it's safe to do so, from the interior, remove all your valuables and important documents from the vehicle. It is very important to document the condition of your vehicle in a flood. Take pictures of the interior and exterior for your insurance claims. The best way to dry out your vehicle is to open all doors and use towels and vacuums to absorb as much water as possible. After your vehicle is dry, turn on your engine. If any warning lights or error codes are illuminated on the dash, turn off the engine and consult a professional mechanic. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. If you're unsure of any step or if the damage seems extensive, please don't hesitate to get to a safe area and seek some professional help.